Fletch, you alright, man?
I'm fucked, bro.
Dude,
Stop filming shit.
I'm not filming shit at all, man.
You motherfucking liar.
At least we're not gonna get your mum to come out and get you, right?
Oh man, I'm fucked.
That's
Are you gonna go to sleep, man?
Oh, I feel like it, but I can't.
Why not?
Party.
Party?
Oh,
Let's go back and party. Just 1 minute, we'll go back and party in a minute, alright?
yeah.
Get away from my boob. Oh no.
You better worry, better do what you can. Oh my god, this is awesome.